Days after Hurricane Matthew,
Trying to save some of the stuff.
recovery is on everyone's mind.
The cabinet sunk, yeah, the bottom disintegrated from the water.
Many residents weathering the aftermath of this damaging storm together.
I'm just glad nobody was hurt.
Team coverage of storm damage from Hurricane Matthew tonight. Our reporters are out across the south side and peninsula showing you the hardest hit areas.
In Virginia Beach, you can see cleanup has just begun for many who spent hours underwater this weekend. 10 on your side's Liz Kilmer joins us from the Windsor Woods neighborhood. And Liz, some people there say this is the worst they've ever seen.
Yeah, that's right. And still tonight, we can see traces of damage everywhere, like these snapped off branches moving across the street. We're seeing piles like this one in front of many yards, piles of damaged household items, mattresses, torn out carpet, things like that. Many of the cars on the block here, they're totaled. A lot of folks tell us that they had more than a foot of water inside their homes. Walking around his front yard.
Trying to save some of the stuff.
Dale Van Slyke looks at his belongings, airing out after the worst flood he's seen.
Within 45 minutes, it came from being dry out here to having 2 feet of water in my house. It's never in 20 plus years done that.
Even with plywood at his doorstep, the water surged in. Boxes in his home collapsed, drenched. Items, even his toilet, were entirely underwater. His Harley in the garage, done for.
It was like just being helpless. There wasn't anything you could do.
And it started seeping through the sidewalls, and then the carpet started getting mushy. So before we knew it, there was no way to stop it, and it just kept coming in the house.
Michael Walters measured 17 inches of water in his garage and 9 in his kitchen.
The cabinet sunk, yeah, the bottom disintegrated from the water.
Water that remained flooded on Gresham Court into Sunday evening. Now tree branches and torn out soaked carpets line the block.
It is. It's a war zone.
Many still with carpets and other items to toss.
It's soaked.
Liz Jernigan moved into this recently renovated home less than 2 months ago.
It's just been one thing after another, and thankfully no trees fell on anything. I was worried about that big tree.
She's looking on the bright side. Fortunate she has a second floor that wasn't touched. But Beth Brooks is in a one-story home. It flooded with water and gasoline after the surge knocked a can over in the garage. Any rooms not damaged?
No, every room.
She and her family are right now staying with the Walters, neighbors leaning on one another.
I'm just glad nobody was hurt that we knew of so far. We all pulled together and help each other out.
And some folks that we talked to out here say they never lost power during the storm, while others in the neighborhood are still without power. Fortunately, everyone we talked to out here does have flood insurance, though some question whether or not the storm drains were really clear. They hope that the city can do something to prevent this type of serious flooding in the future. For now, I'm live in Virginia Beach. Liz Kilmer, 10 on your side.
And neighbors on the peninsula did not escape damage from Hurricane Matthew.
Yeah, people across the peninsula tell us there's plenty of picking up left to do since the storm hit. 10 on your side's Joe Fisher has been speaking with some of them, and he joins us from a home on Antrim Drive in Newport News now. And Joe, what are you seeing there?
Well, Tom and Anita, check this tree out here. The root of this tree easily 8 feet into the air. We have seen this kind of damage throughout the peninsula all day. This tree could be the worst. It stretches 25 feet across 2 yards here. This car in the driveway didn't stand a chance.
It didn't seem real,
The strength of this tree proved to be no competition for the winds brought on by Hurricane Matthew.
It's pouring, we're wet, trees sideways, his car is smushed, there's glass everywhere. And it's just one of those moments where you don't know what to do.
Lauren Coates' home on Antrim Drive in Newport News shook, but luckily spared. The car totaled, the roof caved in.
See, the wheels are like shoved up into the wheel well, so now it looks like a lowrider. This isn't supposed to be a lowrider. This is just your standard 4-door sedan.
This 4-door has seen better days too. The Newport News Police Marine Unit pulled it from a drainage ditch near Bland and Warwick Boulevards. The car later found to be stolen. In Hampton, residents in flooded neighborhoods left with downed branches and muddy yards.
Yeah, I got my niece and my nephew out here. We out here cleaning up, getting all the trash out. Hopefully we won't have to worry about no more rain for the rest of the year.
This is what Big Bethel Road near Joiners Road looked like over the weekend.
Wow.
More than 3 feet of water saturated the ground nearby around Michael Drew's home.
to move a tree that looks like it's almost 2 trees is show you the strength of Mother Nature.
The busted roof allowed water inside too. Across town, this tree still blocks the intersection near Lagarde and Pocahontas Place.
Look at the roots. You see dinosaur bones?
Ann Green came home Sunday to find this, a tree she'll miss.
The tree had 5 fingers sticking out. I used to say, what's the hand of God over my house?
And now the process to remove this big tree here on Antrim Drive in Newport News. You can just see the glass shattered. More than 3,000 customers still remain in the dark across the peninsula. Virginia Dominion Power says that should all be back on by Thursday. We're live in Newport News tonight. I'm Joe Fisher. 10 on your side.